What's up guys, Speedsters here. Today I'm going to update you about my RC cars. So first, here's the Cobra. It's been a long time since you guys have seen this. It's been months since it's been on the road again, but I got it fixed. It was for Christmas. You see, this is a different motor from the stock one, and that was purple. But I got this Rockstar motor. And everything you see in this video will be in the description down below, so you could buy the stuff. And I have a new ESC. So what happened with this stuff burned up. But now I got it fixed. So you guys will see videos of this coming up. This Cobra has been pretty strong. A lot of things haven't broken. Everything is looking really good on it, although the body posts are broken off. But yeah, the ESC and motor burned up, and I got those fixed, so you guys are going to see videos, and everything else is working perfectly fine on it. So next up is the Rustler. So you guys haven't seen any videos of the Rustler since the first unboxing. So here it is now. The tires are getting worn down, and I also got a wheelie bar, so that's good. This Rustler has been awesome, and it's super strong. I bash it all the time. Also, there's a camera mount on it. We got this new camera, and it is really cool. It's a GoPro type of thing. So we'll get some views on top of the Rustler, which will be really cool for other videos. Pretty much everything is still working. I have a lot of stuff stock on it still. But one thing that's different is the servo. I have a Rage servo on it. But nothing crazy about the Rustler. It's still totally normal. Everything is working perfectly fine. It is an awesome car. I definitely recommend this to you guys. So next up, I'm going to go to the a959. So here's the a959. As you see, I have different wheels on it. I had to glue these myself. Also, there's some new gold shock towers. Those look really nice because this one broke. I ran into something. And I also got metal diffs in it. So this one is working fine too. Yeah, that's pretty much, I have all the upgrades on this one, and all of them work, so you guys will see videos of that. Also, while we're in this video, if you remember the a959 unboxing, we still have this, and it is broken. For some reason, the controller is not connecting to the ESC, so it's just not working. I've been using it for parts for the a959. But yeah, we're not going to see any videos about this. So yeah, that was super short, and I just wanted to tell you guys what's been going on with my RC stuff. So you guys will see videos of these coming up, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and Speedsters out.